GVL Narasimha Rao, what your former two-time Himachal Chief Minister Shanta Kumar says in his autobiography. I feel ashamed that my party got involved in the sale and purchase of MLAs. People made the BJP the world's largest party due to its value and idealism. It has now become power hungry. Why not accept? You know, just as they need to accept that they, when they were in power, also at times did not follow constitutional democracy, you could argue that, misused agencies. Why not accept that you too have done the same? This is your senior leader saying this.
We have not done the same. I think you can't put
What is the difference?
BJP,
You tell me what's the difference between BJP under Narendra Modi and Congress under a Manmohan Singh. You seem to be following Indira Gandhi's playbook.
No, absolutely not. Because at that time you had seen how governments were toppled, how governments were dismissed. Hundreds of governments. Even Puducherry, it's not BJP hand behind this. If these MLAs wanted to join BJP, they could have continued until election and
suddenly
can I just complete, Swamiji? They could still have switched to BJP and contested on a BJP ticket. They didn't have to leave 1 week before or 1 month before. They wanted the Congress tag on them to be completely erased because they were scared that Congress tag will be a burden on them.
You know, isn't that true, Mr. Narayan Swamy, generally, that there is a sense that anti-incumbency has set in Puducherry? There were questions over your style of leadership. There were, from your own partymen, many of whom felt that they should have been chief minister, not you. You were paratroop from Delhi because you were close to 10 Janpat. They made the allegation that your battle with Kiran Bedi meant administration was not being carried out effectively. Therefore, before the election, according to Mr. Narasimha Rao, they have chosen what they believe is the winning party.
I think you got the wrong information. In 2016, I was elected by the elected MLAs.
No, you were.
1 minute.
There were MLAs who had their own aspirations.
Out of 15 MLAs, 14 voted for me.
Yes.
I was elected in a democratic way. There may be contest, but who gets a majority will be the chief minister. It is not that I've been parachuted or I've been sent by the leadership. I tell you one thing.
Sir, Mr. Namasivayam, your minister who left you and has now joined the BJP, he wanted to be the chief minister. He apparently told some people Narayan Swamy has become because he's close to the Gandhi Nehru family.
No. Because who is to get the support of the MLAs? Out of 15 MLAs, 14 supported me. He is the only single man who got his vote. How can he be elected as chief minister?
Okay.
It's a democratic way. Nobody can impose the chief minister without the will of the MLAs.
Sir, but I want to ask you, Mr. Narayan Swamy, you are a senior Congress leader. Do you accept something is wrong with your party also, that a leader like a Jyotiraditya Scindia chooses to leave, a leader like Sachin Pilot almost left, in Goa, the entire legislature party almost has left and joined the BJP. Should you get your house in order also while attacking the BJP for being power hungry and misusing the agencies?
No. Some of the Congress leaders, they are power hungry. They wanted to go anywhere to enjoy power. Those people you cannot stop. But a person who is a loyalist, whether he is from the Congress party or any other political party, whether in a difficult time or when the party is ruling, when he remains loyal, he is a true person. This is the, in fact, when you are enjoying power, when the one political party is in power, and thereafter you are going to another political party looking for another opportunity.
Do you
because
think